Choosing the tool from the left-hand toolbar, I move into the price benchmarking screen. The price benchmarking screen gives me competitive pricing feedback on, for example, the heavy-duty air filter that I'm now looking to review on behalf of the marketing team. It gives me pricing for a number of competitors. It also tells me if our current pricing is competitive based on market averages. Um, and we are competitive in this case. So the benefit is that I quickly understand the pricing dynamics against an entire host of competitors. It quickly allows me to make some decisions around our latest pricing with an eye on winning opportunities. Um, this tool also reflects the benefits of making our pricing and packaging database as comprehensive as possible using our intelligent web mapping tools. The more comprehensive the database is over time, the better results I will have. And the better the results, the more sales we can win. In the case of this heavy-duty air filter, I see that we are already fairly competitive against the market average, but there are still competitors, or at least one competitor with a lower price. So we're not the lowest in the market. And I can share this data with our entire team, and we can start to make decisions on whether we need to increase or decrease our standard price. In this case, sales and marketing team has specifically asked that we give them feedback against specific manufacturers, and that allows me to talk about our filters at the top. So